Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your desktop background from something plain and boring like this to something wonderfully elaborate and fun to look at. So first off, we gotta think of what you're interested in. For me, I am interested in staying alive by staying hydrated. So we're gonna look up some water. We gotta find a picture of some water because that's what I enjoy. So all you have to do is, like how you saw me do there, I just went to Google, I typed in water, or whatever, or you can type in whatever you would want. You find the picture you like. This one looks pretty cool. What you're going to do is you're going to right click it, the picture, click on Save Image As, go to your pictures, name it something like New Desktop, make sure you're saving it under this PC, and then pictures, and as a JPEG or any other type of picture format file. Alright, after that's done, we're going to go back to your main desktop screen. What you're going to do is you're going to right click it, click on Personalize, wait for it to load, make sure you're on the Background tab. Under here where it says choose your picture, you're going to press browse, and if you don't see your picture there, which I don't, going to go to where you saved it, so we click on this PC, and then pictures, and then find the new desktop. And bada bing, bada boom, you have a wonderful new cool looking desktop background.